So CrossTech FinTech Payments, it's all about partnerships. It's all about growing together. It's all about business development. And therefore, today, we have the great introduction of a new partner, Mural Pay. Thank you, Sinclair, for joining us. It's a pleasure and an honor having you here today.
Anna, thank you so much for having me.
So we are going to go right into what we need to know. Sinclair Toffa, it's the CEO and founder of Mural Pay. And we're going to know now a little bit about Mural Pay. Can you share with our audience what is Mural Pay and what are the most innovative plans and innovations that you're implementing within the industry?
At Mural, we have a cross-border payments platform and API. And so we work with businesses that do vendor payments, supplier payments, treasury management, and they're looking to move from older systems, swift, slower bank transfers to instant payments. And so it has been a very exciting trajectory. We got started off with stablecoin and blockchain technology 3 years ago. And now the adoption is really happening because regulation has come in. Large banks and fintechs are exploring this new technology, and so we're excited to support and really grow the ecosystem.
Beautiful. And you were part of one of the most important conversations that we had on day 2. You were part of the opening panel, and we discussed stablecoins. And we discussed how stablecoins are in the foremost presence within the cross-border payments industry. So what were your most important insights within this discussion, and what are the takeaways?
Yeah, so what's interesting is that all fintechs now are really considering what is my stablecoin strategy, right? And when you look at what stablecoins are just an evolution of the money we're currently using. It's a more digitized version of the money we're currently using. It is very easy to integrate compared to other traditional existing forms. And so what we've seen is a lot of developers, a lot of companies are using this to integrate it into their company. What's also been interesting is that stablecoins offer a quicker, more efficient and cost-effective way of sending money cross borders. And you have larger banks like HSBC, Citi, Nubank, JP Morgan, everyone that is leaning into this with blockchain infrastructure, stablecoin infrastructure. And so it's been interesting, to hear directly from the other companies how they're adopting this technology.
We are going to go into that specific topic about building infrastructure. And Mural Pay is actually doing that for different companies. Building, understanding what would make sense for each one of them. So I think understanding the differentiation between all of the different companies is something that Mural Pay has not only innovate, but it's actually customizing that approach. So we will be, interested in knowing and understanding, what makes that a powerful tool to unlock the efficiency and to access global finance. What will be the takeaways from Mural Pay from your end?
Yeah, so we've built a platform and an API. The platform allows for businesses, fintechs, banks to get up and running with no engineering needed, so they can test out some real-time payments from the US into Mexico, Colombia back up, right? So throughout the Americas, really. And then the API is really the stronger integration. We've spent a lot of time developing an API that is very simple, with very intentional endpoints that allows the bank or fintech to get up and running in a matter of weeks, 2 to 6 weeks, rather than waiting for a 1.5, 2-year, 3-year implementation timeline. So we have even been talking with some banks and fintechs who are doing that type of integration, and it's taking them 1.5, 2 years.
Exactly.
And with our API, they're able to get up and running in a matter of weeks.
Yeah.
And so we're really excited to help them come into the new age.
An important element within the growth, of a fintech, and obviously time is sensitive for everyone to be in the evolution piece. So what I would say is that if you have this partnering approach of understanding how to do it good, how to do it faster, how to make also build something that would understand the needs of the clients that you have, and for that tool and that integration to understand the needs of their own clients.
Right.
So I think that's amazing. Like I said before, it's the first time that we have Mural Pay joining one of our conferences. Not only excited, but like I mentioned before, very honored. What are those insights and what have you experienced for the first time CrossTech?
So my experience at CrossTech, what I love about it, very intimate setting, some quality conversations, and a lot of times you go to conferences, it feels a little transactional, it feels a little rushed, it feels chaotic, right? And here, what I really appreciate is the venue, right? It's an intimate venue. And secondly, the team behind CrossTech has made myself and even the other panelists feel very welcomed. And the quality of people who have come here has been surprising to me and really exciting. Even just this morning, yes. I've met a couple of banks and other fintechs who are like, hey, we would like to get up and running. How do we start, right? And so we're excited to see how we start here with this relationship and keep growing it. Very excited for what you all are doing in Guatemala and the other countries around the world. And you can count on us being a very strong partner for CrossTech.
Couldn't be more happy, more looking forward to this great partnership. We are more than excited also to welcome all of our different audience to Guatemala and to Miami in November. So see you there, Sinclair?
Yes, that is right.
Good. So see you also there in our next video.
And and then what I would like to share, if you are running a fintech, if you're running a bank, and you are excited about stablecoins, you are excited about blockchain, you want to see how to do it the right way, you don't know how to do it, we would love to support you. You can find us at muralpay.com, and we are happy to get you up and running with our platform and our API.